Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome back from vacation. I know a lot has changed since we were working together last week ago. We are officially on distance learning for the rest of the school year. So I'll do a vlog or two this week just to give you my thoughts on that and check in. And I'll keep this video mostly for instructions this week, but kind of crazy. So a lot of emotions surrounding that. I know it's going to be tough for all of us, but we'll get through it together. So I think we're on week 5, and I'll go through the instructions quickly for you the way I've done every week, and then I will set you off on your own to sort of get working. And if you have any questions that come up during the week, you guys know where to find me. Shoot me an email. I'll get right back to you. I'll be doing an optional Google Meet on Wednesday from 1:30 to 2. I'll post a sign up on Tuesday on Google Classroom. So if you want to be invited to that, you can just let me know. I've been doing that the past couple weeks. Also, what else did I want to say? Just lost my train of thought. Oh, new this week. So previously I had been letting you guys submit your work until midnight on Friday. I'm not doing that anymore. So your work is going to be assigned on Monday and it's going to be due Friday at about 3 o'clock. That way it just helps me get my feedback out faster to you. So that way I can give it to you first thing Saturday morning versus late on the day on Saturday. So all of this work is due Friday at 3. Okay, so away we go. Let me show you your work for the week. All right. You're waking up. It's Monday morning. You need to figure out what to know. You need to figure out what to do for history this week. So you go on to Google Classroom. You click on the distance learning website. Here it is. We open it up. We are on week 5. Your topic this week is about the Oregon Trail. It's super fun, super adventurous. A lot of good information in here. So click on it. It says you'll be learning about the Oregon Trail. It's assigned Monday, due Friday at 3. Please email me with questions. You only have 2 tasks this week, but task 2 is a doozy. So there's a lot of parts to it. So make sure you leave yourself some time. So task 1, do it Monday, and I would start task 2 on Monday too. Maybe plan on spending about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes every single day on history, and you should be able to get this done. So task 1 is just a Google form check-in like we've been doing. Real quick, any questions? Do you want me to reach out to you throughout the week? That sort of thing. Task 2 is a hyperdoc. So I'll jump over to Classroom and show that to you in a second. It says go to Classroom and open the assignment called Oregon Trail Hyperdoc. I made you a copy so you can get right to work. It's an assignment with lots of smaller pieces, so make sure you take your time. Estimated time to complete, 2 hours. So that's what I'm saying. Divide it up over the week. Again, sit down, set a timer on your phone for 20 minutes, work on history for 20 minutes every day, and you should be good. And this is the optional Google Meet I mentioned. So let's take a look at this hyperdoc. We're on Classroom, Classwork, Oregon Trail Hyperdoc. You open it up. You've done these before for me this year, so it shouldn't be too different. All right, so you're going to see that there are resources on the left-hand side, then there's directions, and then there's a response column. So the first thing that you would do on this would be to watch a video. So you would click on the link to open the video. It's 3 minutes. Watch the video and answer the questions. You can type right in here with your answers. Then you have a reading, Oregon Trail reading. I'll show you how this opens up. It opens up as a Google Doc. For you, it's going to be view only. So you're going to have to make a copy. You have to make a copy. You have to make a copy of this to type in this document if you want to type in it. You can handwrite your answers. That's fine. It's entirely up to you. But it will be view only when you open it. So this one says, complete the reading and questions. Insert a screenshot or picture of your completed answers in the response box. So you would do the reading. And you would either make a copy and type your answers in here and screenshot them when you're done. Or you can handwrite your answers, and then you would insert a picture right in here. The next one is a quick podcast. It's like a 5-minute audio thing. It says 2 brothers 5 years ago completed the Oregon Trail in a covered wagon. Listen to the podcast and then answer the question. So you would open this, and you literally just click play. All right. If you want to read more about their story, you can scroll down, but that part's optional. So you listen, and then you type your answers right in here. The next one, pack your wagon. Open the slideshow and make a copy so you can edit it. So again, you have to make a copy. Read the first slide and then complete an activity on the second slide. Screenshot the second slide and insert a screenshot into the response box. So if we open this up, it's going to open the slideshow. And here is the reading you have to do. Here's a nice picture. And then for this activity, you're going to do this on your iPad or your computer. It will work on your computer, depending on what device you're using. You're basically going to drag one of these X's next to the item that you would bring with you in your wagon. You can only bring 2,400 pounds of supplies, so you're going to only mark off the things you want to bring and then add them up here. And then when you're done, you would screenshot that slide so I could see what you are taking in your wagon, and you'd put a picture here. Right? Last thing, it's more of me talking. This is it's fun. This is kind of bumming me out because we used to do this in class together, and this one was a lot of fun. So you're going to click on this YouTube video, and it's more of me. But basically it's going, oh, there I am. But basically you're going to be doing a Oregon Trail simulation. And that video will go through the instructions with you on how to do it. And there's another screenshot that's going in here. All right. Last thing this week, you're going to type 5 things you learned about the Oregon Trail, then turn the stock in on Google Classroom. So look back on all of your work, type in 5 things right here, and then go to Classroom and hit the turn in button. Mine doesn't have one because I'm the teacher, but hit turn in, please, guys. Okay? You can do it. You know how to do this. You got it. All right. That's all I got for you. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday night and watch some TV. This will be all loaded and posted for you guys to start your week on Monday, which is probably when you're watching this. Reach out with questions. Like I said, I kind of was slacking with the vlogs, but I'll definitely do at least one this week just to touch base about my thoughts on like school being closed down for the rest of the year and that sort of thing. All right. That's all I got. I'll talk to you guys this week. Okay.